What's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how to replace your alternator on this is a 2011 Dodge Durango RT. That's the alternator. It looks good and everything, but it was giving me issues 2 days ago, and then yesterday the battery completely died on it. Checked it, and it turned out that it was the alternator. So I have a new one right here. I got this one from O'Reilly's, and it's Ultima. So that's how it looks. Out here I can show you guys. So it's pretty simple. It has 3 screws, 1, 2, and 3 right here, which are this was. So this is 1 right here, and then there is 2 back here. There's 1 on this side and 1 on this side. This is how you lose your tensioner pulley. You can grab something like this, something like a big either a wrench or some channel locks or something like this. If I took that off just so that it gives me more space to work with, so you basically put something like this, something that's gonna fit on there, and then you loosen it up this way. As you can see right here, that's the space they give you to get it loose. So you get that loose, and then once that's loose, make sure you take a picture before you take it out, so that in case the belt goes out of line, you can fix it. But it's pretty simple. So it goes from this pulley to the alternator, and then from the alternator goes up like that into this pulley. It goes underneath like that. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this bolt and then the other 2 bolts on the bottom. There's also this right here. It goes connected to the alternator, as well as this connection right here. So you pull those 2 off after you loosen it up and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it loose, and then we'll see how it looks. The one thing that you guys do need to know is how to get this clip off, because there's a clip right here that you have to push in order to get it unlocked, pretty much. So you go like that, so, and then once it's loose, you can just put your hand and unplug it like that. So that one's unplugged. Just move it to the side. Just move it to the side like that, and then I'm gonna get everything else loose and ready. I feel like you can also yeah, you can probably get it loose, because it's this wire. You can't really see it, but it's this one right there. So yeah, it's this one right here. So you get that one loose, you pop this wire out, and then take the alternator out. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. All right, guys, so check this out. I got that loose, and I got the other 2 volts on the bottom loose. One thing that you guys have to know is this one goes to that plug right there. It goes to that one right there. So you put that one on there, and then you put this on there. So that one goes like that on the back, okay? And then you have a volt on this side, which is it's weird because this one has 3 different size volts on the same alternator. So that one right there, that big one, the big one is a 5/8. The one on this side, it's a number 15. It says 10/9. It's a number 15. And then the one on this side, it's 5-inch. So it's 3 different sizes. I'm getting ready to get everything. I mean, it's already loose. Just need to take that bolt out, and then that's it. I think that's all I have to do after taking these bolts. Okay, I think it's coming out. Not yet. A little bit more. I'm just a little bit afraid it's gonna hit. It's gonna hit the frame. Let me see if I can grab it. Okay. Okay. That's the last bolt. Just try to wiggle a little bit. Careful not to break anything. There we go. So that's the other one. I don't know what happened to it. Doesn't look old. It looks fairly new. I don't know. Alright, so I put everything back. I put the screws back. Now this clip right here is the one that I was showing you guys earlier. So then it clips on, and then you just have to push that one back down like that. I have this other connection here that goes in the back. It goes back here, and then it has a little washer and the nut, so you can tighten everything up. It's back there. I'm gonna put that one back, and then this one, this is the other one that I was telling you guys. I don't know if you can see it. This right here goes into this screw with, it goes with this washer and this nut right here. So you put it on like that, and then put this one on there like that. So there you go. So it's that one right there, and then the other screw, it's that one, and then that's the connection, and then that's the other one, as you guys can see, for the battery. I guess that's the positive side of the battery, and this is the negative. This one, that's the negative side of the battery. So I'm gonna put everything back, and then we should be good to go. All right guys, so everything is good. Everything looking good. Everything is on. The belt is on. Alternator is tight. Everything is tight now, so I can see how it works. This one just goes right here. Boom. Like that. And remember that I don't know in your cars, but in this one, the battery it's under the passenger seat, which is weird, but that's what it is. Put the battery back, and then we'll see after. Alright, as you guys can see, everything is good. It's running nice and smooth. So that's it. That's how you guys change your alternator. Alright, so as you guys saw, everything is working good. Everything is running how it should. Let me know if you guys want to see any more videos, or give me some ideas. I do have another thing to do here. I'm gonna change that one right there, which is the I think is the coolant pressure sensor. I'm gonna change it as soon as it comes. I'm also gonna show you how to do that. So yeah, that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, like it, comment, and see you on the next episode.